you unloading, this is really special, is a really pigmented and a thick density, so then it's not like a runny or loose like a gel polish. Actually it's a gel painting. So what I'm gonna do is place your brush about 45 degree, and then when you want to draw it longer or a different sword, you're gonna lay your brush is flat, and that's it. How super easy, simple. It looks really good now. Is it too low though? Can you move it down a little bit so I don't have to reach too far away? There you go. And here is 1,000 different fun way to do a source, and you can keep repeating. You can see that they are staying, is staying, it's not running at all. And I want to do a second line. I'm gonna do that for like 12 colors, maybe no 11 color or 10 colors, because we have one in the white. So perfect if you are doing like in the nude colors. This is perfect for like thank you, Mika. All right, I'm gonna do it a little bit thicker on this one. And love about this is just so consistency in the color. It's absolutely vibrant. I might use this one. Oh, did I move?
No, you're fine. Keep going.
All right. Cool, huh? It's easy, right? You will place it on 45-degree angle, and then you keep your brush like flat. All right, I'm gonna let it flash here. Maybe we should do just one color so you can see the look of it, huh? Okay, moving on to the next one, because I really want that to be combined with the silver, but I'm gonna do one colors at a time so you can see. And then I will let you know what's a special when you're getting this one too. I'm so excited. Again, is a blue. I'm going to use a blue, and you don't need a whole lot, so because it's so vibrant, and it's the consistency, it's easy to work with. Again, and this is just really simple sword. You're gonna keep it 45 degree, and you will never go wrong with this. And a first 45 degree, and then flatten your brush down and draw it. You can go back so many times, and it's not runny, and the color so vibrant, so it's not like translucent at all. Excuse me. And then you can edit like thickers as you prefer. And you don't know how many colors you can mix it out from this. It's really cool though. And 45 degree, keep it flat. is move like nobody business. So simple. And keep in mind you can do it like 2 colors too, okay? 3, 4, 5. Then how sharp looks it's gonna be. There you go. Here. Oh, yeah. This is a blue, and I did finish yellows and blue. Let's go into pink. Maybe aqua, huh? And then next will be black. Maybe black. Sure, you're gonna.
Hey, ready? This is gel. Yes.
This
This is our gel painting bottle with precision brush.
Sorry. So we are going to do with the black. And always holding one's fingers, lean on the others. It's really depend on a lot of you are comfortable with, you know, a different supporting a different fingers. I using my ring finger to get into either the rings, another ring finger, so then that way it holding my fingers and it help support for when tie the hand, so it won't be shaky. So I'm gonna do the other one here.
You can make that into an eye too.
It is? How do I draw it? You're so good at it.
Just connect the line. Connect the line and put some people in there. So you got like a really nice big eye with a really big lash on it. Mm-hmm. You can connect it and make it into a proper eye with some people.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
What are you talking about?
Don't worry about it.
And then put it in eyes here?
Yeah.
Let me do it, huh? Should I?
No. Stick with your sword.
You see how he's being this? It's like, oh, you good, you're doing good. And then I said, okay, this is okay. Never mind, don't worry about it.
You're good, but that's what different design. Still, that look really, really nice though.
Why don't you do it? Can you do it?
Yes, you could.
It's okay. I'll stick with my sword. I'm cool with this.
But honestly, like you can make it into like a stripe of a mask. So like on the top, you have a decoration with some color in it.
It's just really cool. How about this one? It's just so sharp at the line.
Mm-hmm.
Look, is
if you're watching, not sure what mask I'm talking about, look up kabuki mask. That's what it looks like right now.
Kabuki brush, I know.
Sure, why not?
It's really interesting. All right, don't make my swords to be destroyed. We're gonna get someone to blame on it. And literally, if you're afraid of you are not doing your sword right, you have to think about me, because I can do this. You ladies can do it like in no time. When you have a hands on this one, it's oh my god, it's so easy, and it's the consistency is amazing. Okay, here, where I'm at,
Okay.
right here. And this is only one color. I just want to show you one color. Look, but then if you can add, wait until we add gold on it. Should we add it on though? We should, huh? Should we?
Well, don't do gold on yellow. Do gold on blue.
silver and yellow. No. We're doing it later. We do all the
Really?
colors so everybody can see the color. Yeah, should
Okay.
we? Thank you, Peace. Is it Peace?
Yep. Peace.
And then we're going to pink. I love these colors. And that's one thing about this, is so nice that it's not is runny at all, and it's like solid, pigmented. It's not like translucent. So again, I had like a 2 coat of pure white number 25 from a Glitz gel polish. I did 2 coat, each layer 60 seconds, and I did is a matte no white top coat on here for 60 seconds. And that's why I did my gel painting on. You can do however sword you want. Keep adding it on. It's just a cool things about is really help to keep your brush stay really steady, not slippery at all. Good. Here for 60 seconds.
Okay. You want to go to double color now? Or?
Should we do a double color?
Let's go. So one of the most popular double color is just a base color, and then you have some gold. That is your best friend in double color.
Go.
The gold color. Gold and silver. You pair it with anything, look great.
So now, if you are getting this kids form today,